y'all, this is Cricket and my loving family.
Hello.
Hi. You know their names, Paul and Ariel. Because for some reason, Cat got their tongue today. But anyway, today we are showing you our June Universal Yums box. I'm trying to see what that says. Home of the Cotton Top Tamarind. Y'all see that? So these videos seem to be very popular with including our family because they enjoy watching us make ugly faces while we try disgusting food. Last month's wasn't bad.
No.
Right? Okay, so here's what it looks like inside. And this one, you want to tell them what it is?
We get the Super Yum box, which is the largest one. It comes with 20 snacks in every box. And it's as low as $35 per box.
Yeah, it's a little over $35. There's shipping. I'm sorry, shipping's included. No, and then sales tax. I think I don't know. I can't remember. But we pay a little over $35 a box because we do it monthly and not yearly. So this is where we're going. Have you ever been? Because we haven't. We're going today.
Nope.
Alright, where's our scissors? Let's get this started. We're starving.
Mayonnaise flavored? Mayonnaise flavored chips.
Alright, let's show them what it looks like. Rosettas. Oh, and if you want to, we have a code down below if you'd like to try this. I think it's $5 off your first Super Yum box, but you have to try. You have to do, it only works for the Super Yum box. So... okay, it smells like kind of stale chips. That's what it smells like
It
to me.
smells like regular potato
It
chips.
smells like stale chips.
It smells like potato chips.
Stale. Okay, there's you one. There's you one. You want one, Bubba? He wants one. Zephyr's in here today with us. Right, you can smell the mayonnaise. You like mayonnaise. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not bad.
It's just like a potato chip.
It does. I'm not really tasting mayonnaise though.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Tastes like Lay's potato chips. Alright.
I'm seeing a lot of chips in here.
We're hungry, so this works. Our next one is... huh?
Queso Mantequilla.
My toasty.
Cheese and butter flavored.
Oh, that one we got...
inspired corn tortilla chips with cheese and butter flavors.
that one we got last month. It was like that garlic flavored. That stuff was nasty.
I liked it. It tasted like garlic bread.
It tasted like they soaked it in garlic. It was not good. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I taste the butter.
It is tortilla chips.
It tastes like Fritos.
Yeah.
Ugh. I taste the butter. Okay.
I think I'm gonna like this one.
La Nina.
Lime flavored potato chips.
Oh.
If it's anything like limon Lay's, I'm gonna love it.
Limon. Here, you get 2. Lord, these are thick. I gave them 10. Do they stink?
No, they just smell like potato chips.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they do. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Woo! A little tangy, a little tangy.
That's a lime.
We can definitely taste the lime.
I like it though.
But you know what it says? You said lime, but it says lemon. Lemon flavored. But that says lime. But this says lemon.
Even the picture in the book has lemon on the picture.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
Maybe it's a lemon lime.
Maybe it's a lemon lime. I don't know, but on the bag it is a lime. But on the packaging it says lemon. Let me see.
Definitely sour.
Yeah, definitely sour. Plantain. So is that, ooh, garlic. Okay. So is that like banana and garlic?
Maybe?
Garlic flavored plantain chips.
But ain't plantain like banana?
Mm-hmm. What's that big, that really large version of a banana?
Okay, there's one. Oh, these are like little, they look like, wait, haven't been showing you, I'm sorry. This looks like little banana chips.
Yeah, and weirdly enough, the back of the bag is in English.
Weirdly enough. She's correct. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. If you want it, you can have it. It tastes funny. Does it not taste funny? Ah.
It does taste funny.
Ariel's favorite.
Spicy.
Spicy flavored. And it's Rosettas.
Spicy potato chips.
That plantain was gross. Give her a big one. And these just look like plain old potato chips. I'm trying to
They
get.
smell like spaghetti sauce.
They smell like spaghetti sauce.
Yeah, just a little.
Yeah,
I can see.
I get that.
Yeah, but they look like just your regular ruffled potato chips. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Where's the spice? Oh, there it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
It hits the back of the tongue.
A little bit there.
Here, have another. Let's. Because I want you to get that spice.
Oh, mine wasn't spicy now.
Okay.
Sweet plantain.
They like plantains in Colombia. That's cool. At least it's not. What was that word? What was that one we kept eating on?
Tamarind?
Tamarind. Ooh, those don't look good. What? They look like rotten bananas.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Okay, see? They smell like banana. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Better than the other plantains.
Ew, it tastes like burnt.
I don't taste burnt.
You taste burnt? You taste burnt.
A
don't you?
little, yeah.
You taste burnt. Have one of the darker ones.
Ooh.
No, I'm good.
Right there.
I'm good.
Yeah. See, you know.
Yeah, it's got a bad aftertaste.
Everything's sort of been like.
Not looking forward to this one.
Okay, Ariel's favorite flavor, bacon.
Mm.
These are bacon chips. And it says lemon, but it's showing a lime.
Bacon and lime chips.
But it says lemon. You see it?
It says limon.
It says lemon.
Y'all act like y'all fancy here.
Oh, there's.
I am fancy.
Okay, that's.
They look like puffy bacon strips.
They look like pork rinds. Oh, I hope they taste like pork rinds. I like pork rinds.
They don't really have a smell, do they?
Mm-mm.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. They taste like pork rinds. They got the same consistency as pork rinds.
I like them.
You can have them. I don't like them. Oh.
I'm gonna pass those right there. Oh. Okay. Non-eventful box so far. This is Snacky Caramel. Where's English?
Caramel flavored.
Caramel
snacks.
flavored snacks. That's what that looks like.
So we're getting into the sweet stuff.
Are we?
Yeah. That's caramel flavored corn puffs.
They're puffs. They look like little puffs, see? Either my nose is broke or they just don't smell.
No, I'm not smelling anything.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
3, 2, 1.
It definitely tastes like caramel.
I taste the
It's
caramel.
a caramel cheesy puff.
It's not bad. That's not bad. Those plantains are gross. Okay, you want to do this one?
Sure.
What is this?
That is
Oh, it's all non-English.
plantain cookies.
Ew. Okay. That's what it looks like. Plantain cookie, really?
Mm-hmm. Like, I don't know.
Oh, they look kind of like Cookie Crisp. See, they,
Oh, they're tiny.
yeah, they're real tiny.
I love Cookie Crisp.
Well, I don't think this is Cookie Crisp, but good luck. I don't know.
No smell.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, drop mine.
It tastes like chocolate chip. It's not bad.
Without the chocolate.
Without.
It just tastes like a cookie.
Yeah, it just tastes like a cookie. That one's not bad. That's not bad. So we're getting there. All right, let's see. Want to do these?
Sure.
Yes, let's do some chocolate. We all love chocolate.
Wafer rolls with chocolate cream filling. Yaza.
Piazza.
I think that's how you pronounce it.
I don't know either. Y'all enjoying this? Cause
It's not
okay, they look
bad.
like the Parolis or whatever they're called.
The things I love.
She loves. They look like that. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Kind of tastes like them too.
It does.
I taste like them.
It tastes just like them. That's good. Yay! It says chocolate and it tastes like chocolate. Go
I'm
on.
the win.
What? What is this? Meiko Bridge?
My cocoa.
Meiko? Ouch. I hit Paul. It's this. He's at a loss. It's none
Maybe
of
it's in a different packaging.
Whoa.
Well, that says bridge.
That says bridge.
This is a double cream bridge.
Yeah, that's in there, Ariel.
Oh, whoa.
I think
We
it's-
got a full package of that.
That's a whole big thing. Okay, what is this?
I don't know. I don't see it
I'm
anywhere.
opening it. I'm opening it. It looks like wafers. Ooh,
Oh, there,
There
it
it
is. Wafers with coconut cream filling.
Paul's favorite. I'm gonna give him a big piece. He,
As long as it's not the texture, I'm
he
fine.
loves coconut.
Smells like coconut.
It does.
Yes, it does. It smells like the beach. Oh, sorry. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hard. Okay, sorry about that. We are back. This was a win in case we got cut off. This one was a good for me and Ariel.
Not me.
Not Paul.
No.
The coconut was real.
It's really good coconut.
It was
flavor.
really good coconut flavor. Okay, so what is that? Chululu?
White chocolate coated gummies.
Ew. I don't like gummies.
Mommy doesn't like gummies at all.
Trululu. Cocoa.
Oh, and that's what it looks like. I'm
She
sorry.
doesn't even like gummy vitamins.
Oh, God. That's gross. Okay. What, you want a blue?
Sure.
Okay. I guess you get a
And
purple.
we'll be twinsies.
We'll be twinsies with our purples. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's just chew it or suck it.
A lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
Well, it's because it just came out of the fridge.
No.
Oh. It's so gross. Mm-mm.
I'm not a
God.
fan of it either.
Okay, so it's like a peanut M&M,
No.
but the peanut
How curse
is-
Mm-mm. Don't you curse a beautiful peanut M&M like that. That is nasty.
but the peanut is replaced with a tiny little gummy,
Tiny, hard to chew, very gelatinous.
and not a very good flavored gummy.
Mm-mm. And that one's not good.
No.
What the heck? Okay, we gotta. Ooh, there's some for friends at work to have.
Oh my gosh, Mommy.
Gross. Ew. Whoa, what is it with the gummy? Yeah.
It kind of looks like Haribo, but not.
Oh, Haribo.
Strawberry and cream gummies.
Ooh.
Y'all, I'm nauseous.
Hopefully the flavor is good.
I'm still choking on that nastiness.
They look cute.
Looks can be deceiving.
Oh.
And they even look like marshmallows,
Oh,
which is my
they don't-
next.
They don't smell
gross-
good.
They don't smell good.
What is that? Oh.
Oh, look, it smells like butt. It looks like butt. Let's just eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, ready? 3, 2, 1. Mm-mm. I cannot finish the gummies. Ugh.
Okay, when you start to chew it, the strawberry and cream flavor does come out. But it's not good enough to enjoy.
It's very artificial. It's an artificial strawberry flavor.
Mm-hmm. Also, it reminds me of marshmallow, which is gross too. So.
I love marshmallows.
Okay,
That
Yeah.
was not easy to finish.
that's why.
Uka Luka.
Oka
Loka?
Loka.
Red fruit flavored chewy candy.
Like Skittles.
Like Skittles. I can do Skittles. Look at that. We all get different flavors. or colors. Okay, so I get this. It does look like a Skittle. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Good God!
That should just came out of the refrigerator. Looks like a Skittle.
On crack, that thing is hard. Oh, it was great. Mine was great.
Was y'all sour?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, toward the end.
Mm-hmm.
Can you finish it? Well, I
I
can't.
got stuck on my teeth.
I couldn't finish. I'm sorry. Okay, though this they gave us this was like a full size package.
Dulce de leche.
Oh,
That is caramel filled wafer.
caramel.
Caramel. He said, she said. Just deal with it.
Caramel. She's said.
Tomato.
There's no such thing,
Who says tomato?
right? Ew.
Oh, somebody.
Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna give Daddy
You're gonna get someone to comment on the video. I say tomato.
tomatoes. If you do, it's awesome. Go. She just showed it.
I almost did.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hell yeah.
I don't love it. Nope. What the heck am I tasting?
Dulce de leche.
Okay.
Oh, no. At the end, it gets a little bad.
That's what I said. That is.
Starts out good.
Mm-mm.
Doesn't end well. You hitting it, Ariel?
It's a
Yeah.
bad story. This is a bad story.
Bad show.
This is Gummies.
Oh,
I think it's more dulce de leche.
oh. No, we're gonna do the. Well, is that all we got?
Well, we got this
We got
thingy.
the yum bag, and then we got these.
Oh,
Caramello.
looks like a little. There it is. Yeah. What is that in that wafer?
Peanut
Chocolate
and caramel.
coated caramel and peanut bar wafer.
Sounds like Snickers.
Are you gonna be able to break it
Lord.
into threes? Oh, Lord.
Okay.
Yeah, just do it that way.
Oh! I broke my tooth.
We got good insurance.
Yes, we do.
That didn't smell bad.
Tastes terrible. Blech.
Alright.
What kind of chocolate is that? 3, 2, 1. What is it? Uh-huh.
No, it was on my fingers. It's not good.
Mm-mm. I'm having them.
I'm not understanding what's in it that's making it so hard to chew.
I'm not understanding what's in it, making it taste
It's not
so terrible.
Ghirardelli.
No. No.
She's spoiled. She's spoiled. Ghirardelli, listen to her. Okay, which one? We got these two left.
I'm thinking that's the delicacies of the country.
Look, I'm not mad at Columbia. I mean, your chips are delicious. Some of them.
I like these bacon chips.
Holy crap, that's a lot of candies. We are not going to be eating all of those. We might try one each or something, but you see in there. Can you see in there? Lots of candies. Holy Moses. Okay, well,
Whoa!
there's a lot of candy.
We got
Oh,
suckers.
we got 3 different kinds. We got passion fruit lollipop with bubblegum center, chewy coconut candy, and coffee flavored chew.
I'm guessing these are the
What
coconut ones.
are they trying to do to me?
These are the coconut ones.
Coconut and coffee?
These are the drop it.
Passion fruits.
Passion fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Bun bun. Bun bun bun. That's what it says. Bun bun. Well, that chocolate is staying. It is not chocolate. That is
And
not
that's the coffee flavored
coffee
chew.
flavored chews. Alright.
What Columbia does best is coffee.
Coffee. Let's get it. Good
Oh,
stuff.
it smells like coffee.
Yay. We like coffee.
Yeah.
Me and Ariel do anyways.
Ooh, it does smell like coffee.
Alright, let's do it.
Good coffee.
This one's giving us lips. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hard.
It's gonna be a minute. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
If you like coffee.
I like coffee.
No, I can't. I can't. Coffee is so bad.
He was.
At least it's not those plum shots from the Mexi crate.
Oh, nothing will ever be as bad as that. Ever.
Okay. I liked the coffee chews.
No.
But something is up my nose. But I like the coffee chews. It's got me all choked up.
I mean, oh God,
She
I'm
just
gonna
loves
replace
it
the
that
coffee with coconut.
Y'all should watch my video on Cirkul. You should try it. If you haven't tried
I
Cirkul
have
water,
one too.
we love it. We're a family of Cirkul freaks. But anyway, next one is the coconut flavored.
Chew.
Okay, it looks funny.
Missed myself.
I don't look at this and see coconut.
Just break it apart. 'Cause I ain't gonna take a whole one.
I'm trying to, honey. Good gravy. Alright, ready? Does it smell like coconut?
A little.
Yeah, it's got a little coconut to it. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry.
It's contagious.
This box is giving me indigestion. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What is in it? You first gonna spit that out.
Mm-hmm.
It's legit shreds of coconut in the middle. And he's about to get sick. He can't stand.
I can't. I ain't even gotten to the shreds of coconut. I can't handle the flavor.
But there's in it. It's shreds of coconut.
It's like coffee coconut.
Okay. That's not bad if you're craving some coconut. I like the coffee creams.
I do too.
We'll save those for last.
We'll save these for last. So now we're going to do... Whew, I can't even read this. Dulces.
Okay. So assorted Colombian sweets. We have a milk caramel, a coffee, a guava, a panela, an orange, and a coconut.
Ooh, y'all love y'all's coconut and coffee. Paul's loving y'all right now. Okay, so there's one of each. Is that what we're looking
Yes,
at?
we're gonna have to.
Okay, so
share
it looks
them.
like this. Oh wow, these are big. So what is this one?
That's the coconut.
Are you sure?
Yes,
It looks orange.
well, that's orange. That's the coconut.
All right, well let's get this one out the way. Okay. You
What
sure?
does it smell like?
I don't even know. Oh, it's mushy. Good. It's not hard to break.
What's this one?
I don't know. Daddy thinks it's coconut.
Well, it looks like the coconut.
It does, but it doesn't smell coconutty.
Mm-mm.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh, coconut.
Oh.
That's coconut.
Woo! I can get in, ain't it?
It's got the texture of it too.
Ooh, yes it does. Ooh. Oh, this is all kinds of ooey. Ew, it's so gross.
That one is milk caramel.
It ain't. There's no such thing. This is powdery ew.
I think you're gonna have to feed that one to me.
Okay. It looked like a little square powdered thing, and I broke it up.
I
But
hate
that's
the
what-
texture of flour.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh god. I mean,
I don't hate that one.
I can see you doing this. Like if you're craving something sweet.
Mm-hmm.
But man, is it rich. That caramel is
That one's
rich.
very rich.
Whew, it's rich.
Alright, that one's the guava.
Okay, guava. What is guava?
It's a fruit.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it says guava paste.
Mm.
Okay, that's what it looks like. Sorry, I probably should have been showing.
Made from guava, plum, and sugar. Guava pulp and sugar cane.
Okay, I can't.
This is hurting my mouth.
Sorry. These don't rip apart very easily. Okay.
Wow, that's
They're really thick.
got an interesting smell to it.
Yeah.
Oh, it does. It kind of smells like papaya.
Well, it's one of those smells you don't know if it's going to be good or bad.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Good. I don't hate that.
I'm not feeling the texture.
Yeah, I'm having an issue with the texture too.
Well, it's
Ooh.
all. At least it's not gummy.
Oh, that's the coffee.
Okay, well, you already have the coconut. Now have the coffee. Yeah, I think it is. God, I'm gonna have like a serious sugar buzz after all this. Ew, this is
you're
gross.
gonna be drunk.
Yeah,
I'm getting a headache from it. There's a lot.
it's a lot of rich. It's a lot of rich. Okay. Sorry, I should have.
Oh no.
Oh, that's straight coffee. It is very dark, so it's black coffee.
Liquefied beans.
3, 2, 1. You said liquefied beans.
It's good, but I don't like the texture.
The texture is terrible. Oh, how are you doing it?
Oh,
I love coffee,
I'm trying.
but that's bad.
No,
Okay.
the flavor is good. It's just the texture.
No, the flavor is kicking me butt.
Oh no.
Okay, the next one is orange. So it looks.
I'm getting a headache.
Oh, and it doesn't matter if you spit it out; it lingers in your mouth.
That's what the orange looks like. I pray this breaks off easier than the others. Okay, a little bit better.
When will we have to?
Oh, it smells. Oh, it
One
smells
more.
like orange. Oh, it smells like orange.
Oh, it does smell
Oh,
like
it does
orange.
smell like
Oh,
You still don't have the same texture though. Doesn't matter.
These are some funky textures. These are some.
It's
funky
just
textures.
very, very
But they
rich.
taste exactly like what they're supposed to taste like.
Yes. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love that.
You don't love that, do you?
My favorite flavor texture will make me puke.
It's so much better. Okay, the texture.
It's
No,
foul.
I take it back.
There's bits and pieces sneaking up on you. Okay,
Yep.
last one. God. I'm gonna need a Pepto-Bismol after this. Let's see. What is it?
that one is
Panella?
Panella.
What is vanilla?
I have no.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it's gooey. Give Daddy that.
Oh
piece.
my god.
I'll give it-
Zephyr. Sorry.
so used to doing
So
that.
used to yelling at poor Bubba Dub. Okay, ready? Oh,
No, I'm not.
me neither. Oh my gosh, y'all. 3, 2, 1. What is Panella?
Oh,
I don't know. I didn't let it stick around. I swallowed it as fast as
I know, I tried to, but it was kind of stuck to my roof of my mouth.
no.
It's not good. It's not good at all. Okay. That was foul. Oh. I got a lot of mess to clean up here.
Oh, because of the texture, the linger of all of them, or the flavor
And the
of all of them,
rich,
is still
the
lingering
richness.
around.
The richness is really, like, I'm getting loopy from eating all this sugar. Alright. I don't know why we did this to ourselves. Ew, what is in it?
Wait, what was those things again?
passion fruit.
Well, what's in it?
Passion fruit.
What's that? Zephyr wants to know. Okay, it smells like it.
Yeah, it smells like passion fruit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's not the texture fudge.
How
so
am I going to break this?
break it. We go.
Oh, you want to do all 3?
No, it's not.
Go for it.
I can't break it.
Oh, gosh.
Don't die.
Uh-uh. Okay. Get a little rest. We're all family here, so. That's good.
I don't hate it.
It's in my tooth. That's good. It tastes like passion fruit. I'm sorry. Don't know how else to do it. Ariel's enjoying it. So,
I'm trying to get the flavor.
I know. Okay. I like the coffee chews. Those were good.
Y'all can have them.
Paul loved those too.
No.
Oh, we're turning the fan on. It's hot in here. These were disgusting. That is nice. That's nice to cleanse the palate. What we're just eating now. These were Skittles.
It tasted like
Pretty much.
Skittles.
Anything that had plantain in it was disgusting. So this and this. Is that our only plantain?
Yeah, those 2 plantains. Well, no, the
cookies.
cookie plantains were good. They were actually alright. They taste like generic cookies.
These were nasty. Except for
I like these.
we all can have those.
The bacon chips. They taste like pork rinds but with lemon.
Those were disgusting. Those were okay. Or like a caramel puff. It had the consistency of a cheese puff.
And then the rest of the potato chips were, you know, they taste like potato chips.
Yeah, they weren't bad. Okay. Sorry, I'm still on that thing. I don't know what else to do with it. But anyway, it wasn't a bad box. I don't think it was a bad box. I think it was a good one.
Until we got to the delicacy.
Y'all, that is the whatever we had, the, what is it called? I've got a head rush now, y'all. It's too much sugar at one time. The cacha de doces sortidos. It says, find assortment of traditional Colombian sweets, each with its own unique flavor and story. Don't fret, we'll be your guide in exploring this special set of yums. The guava was kind of cool. The caramel was so freaking rich. The coffee was just, that was coffee. All day long, that was coffee. Coconut. That's Paul's favorite. I don't know what panela is, but it was very rich. And the orange had some bits in it that I wasn't afraid. It like
It
gelled.
tasted more like we were eating the orange peel.
Yeah.
You want to read our clue?
Oh, let's read our clue. Yeah, because this.
Nope, that clue. This
What
clue.
clue?
Oh, this one. Clue to next month's box. On the equator, there is a green jewel with dragons and temples that look really cool. We found a whole bunch of really good finds, like noodles, melons, and tamarind rinds.
Tamarind.
Aaron's favorite, tamarind. So what's it say? Over here, does it say anything?
Solve a secret puzzle.
This tropical plant makes everything sweet. You'll soon see for yourself with a blank flavored treat. Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
The
there's the clue for next month. And if you didn't see, there's what this month looks like. So it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I mean, it was no Israel.
Mm-mm.
That was our first box.
Clear.
So anyway, you gonna keep doing these with us?
Oh yeah.
She's nauseous right now. How you feeling?
I'm a little out of it.
A little woozy.
Now that I finally got the coffee flavor out of my
A little
mouth.
woozy. Get a little hot in here.
That was rough.
Yes, it was rough. It was rough, and I like coffee, but that's a lot of coffee. But that's what they're known, right? They're known for their.
Oh no, don't get me
Coffee.
wrong. It tasted like coffee.
Mhm.
I just don't like coffee.
Well, there you go. So it's good. These are good. So these will be fun to have later when we don't have to, break them off with our teeth immediately. The chips, those will
Yeah,
probably
we definitely
that'll
got
be
some
fine.
stuff we'll snack on.
Yeah, and I don't know what this. It does not taste good. I am not a fan of that at all. Or this. So Paul will probably be taking.
No. Oh, I thought you said I wasn't going to be eating that. I was like, no.
No, Paul will probably be taking some of this stuff to work to share his goodies with others. But I'm sorry, this box is really giving me indigestion. I've got the burps and I can't stop. Okay, so anyway, comment down below. Let us know if you got this box, if you're going to be getting this box, if you think we should continue this box, because we will. Either way, because it's fun and we do it as a family, and we ruin our appetite every time we get this box. So, right? Okay. So, yeah. So if you like what you see, hit that big like button. Also, please share my channel with others because we are growing and we love to grow, and we'd love to grow with y'all. And can't wait to hit 300. We're over 200 now, right? It's like 227, something like that, 228, somewhere in there. So super excited. So anyway, we love y'all so much. Hope everyone has a wonderful day, and we'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all. Don't go nowhere. There's a bonus entry for Ariel's birthday giveaway, and we forgot. So, since it's Paul's favorite flavor, give me a coffee. Give me a coffee. So, go back to the video. I'll link it at the end. Go back to the video and do something. And reply to your comment. I'm loopy. This sugar is too much for me. Y'all just can't understand right now.
Reply to your original comment with a coffee emoji or type out coffee.
Yes, do that, and that'll give you an additional entry into the birthday giveaway.
Birthday giveaway.
Okay, now for real. Bye,
Bye,
y'all.
y'all.